Yeah, okay. First run the Node.js server. Yeah, this is this is Node.js server is successfully run. Then go to this URL for view the admin dashboard. I already add the two users in the system, one for admin and one for normal user. First, I log in into the admin. This is admin dashboard. You can show the total users, total orders, and total product. And admin can show the all users in the system, and admin can add the new users in the system, and he can edit and delete for existing users. Then this is category section. This is product section, and this is here for order section, and this is order item section. This all user this all section admin can for add new one and edit and delete for existing one. Finally, admin can for access the setting table, but user cannot access it. Then login into the user into the system. This is user shows dashboard. It show the total orders and total product, not show the total users, and user not show the users section and setting section. He show the category, product, orders, and order item section. Then go to category section. He cannot add the new one or edit or delete existing one. Same for product section, but order section he can add the new one and edit or delete for existing one. Then item for same. Limited access for product section and category section for the normal user, but admin can all section can new one add new one and edit or delete access for existing one, but user can limited access. Uh, then go to the code base. These show the modules, category, orders, order items, product, setting, users. Then show the resources. Uh, this is manage the access for each action. List show uh, action given both admin and users, but new edit delete action given only admin. In the category section, order section, both admin and users given for all action. uh, this is resources section manage the access for some feature, some action. uh, then go to the authenticate.js file. This is show the handle the JWT token part. Uh, this is show it. Uh, then go to the dashboard. This is the dashboard custom dashboard section. We show the total users only admin. Check the admin and if it's true, then show the total users. Normal users are not sure. Uh, then this is uh, PostgreSQL in Superbase database visualization. Uh, I use the Superbase PostgreSQL database. I try to deploy this project using GitHub Action. It is failed. Then I try to Railway.api website deploy this project, but it is free trial package is expired in my account. I cannot deploy this project. So it is over the demonstration. Thank you.